Okay, so now we're going to review this writing sheet and basically show you how to use it. So this writing sheet shouldn't be given to a child who's never done writing before. It should be given to a child who's maybe done one round of all the uppercase letters and now is sort of ready to start reviewing them. So I don't know whether you can see, but it has arrows too to show the child what stroke order to do the letters. So let me just fill this in. So the child would start, okay, and then they can see the letters. Now, I wouldn't just give this to the child either. I'd have this on the board. I'd have my lines drawn out to show the child how to write the letter, okay? So I'd say, put your pens down, please watch. I practice on the board. And then I'd say, can you try it? And then it's the child's turn. A, A, A. And eventually what will happen is the child's muscle memory will start remembering, okay? Because when a child uses the markers, it's very easy for them to write and they don't have to erase and they don't get frustrated. If it doesn't erase well, what you can do is use some alcohol gel and that will bring it right off. So after your child has mastered uppercase letters, there are also numbers here if you want to practice, and just tell the child to start from the top of the number. Again, please practice these on the board while the child learns them. Don't just give the sheet to the child. So this is uppercase. It comes in 2 sets, which are corresponding to the Phonics flashcards. So you'll see that these pictures match with these. So eventually, after they've learnt phonics, you can even just practice phonics here. Apple, ball, cat, dog, so on and so forth. So everything like that has been kept in mind. Here is the second version, which has the second version of flashcards. Then we have the lowercase. So again, the lowercase contains the arrows to show the child. And after they finished, there's even this small little exercise, just so if there's children that are still doing the worksheet, the other children can look here and say, and then they can do a little picture. Same here, maybe he is sad. Okay, if they're laminated, you can even turn them over and ask the child to practice some letters that maybe you've put on the board as well. So some sight words or something like that. Very, very versatile. So again, go to the website, flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Download this and hundreds of flashcards for absolutely free. Put some comments in the bottom if this helped you out. If there's something wrong with it, tell me about that too. And yeah, hopefully I can keep improving, keep making materials for the classroom. And yeah, that's it. Okay, see you next time.